Aloo dinner recipes. 1. Aloo gobi. This popular Indian dish features potatoes and cauliflower cooked with aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Serve with basmati rice and naan bread for a complete meal. 2. Aloo tikki. These crispy potato patties are a popular street food in India. They are made with mashed potatoes, spices, and sometimes peas or other vegetables. Serve with a tangy tamarind chutney for a delicious appetizer or snack. 3. Aloo paratha. This stuffed flatbread is a staple in North Indian cuisine. It is made by stuffing spiced mashed potatoes into dough and then grilling it on a hot griddle. Serve with yogurt and pickles for a satisfying meal. 4. Aloo matar. This simple and comforting dish is made with potatoes and peas cooked in a tomato-based gravy with spices like garam masala and chili powder. Serve with rice or naan bread for a hearty vegetarian meal. 5. Aloo chaat. Another popular street food, aloo chaat is made with boiled potatoes, chaat masala, and various chutneys and toppings like onions, tomatoes, and sev crispy fried noodles. It is a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. 6. Aloo samosa. These crispy fried pastries filled with spiced mashed potatoes are a must-have at any Indian dinner. You can make them at home using store-bought samosa wrappers, or make your own dough. Serve with chutney for dipping. 7. Aloo dum. This rich and creamy potato curry is a staple in Kashmiri cuisine. The potatoes are cooked in a yogurt-based gravy with spices like fennel, cinnamon, and cardamom. Serve with rice or roti for a delicious meal. 8. Aloo bonda. These deep-fried potato fritters are a popular snack in South India. The potatoes are mixed with spices, dipped in a batter, and then fried until crispy. Serve with coconut chutney for dipping. 9. Aloo palak. This dish features potatoes and spinach cooked together in a flavorful sauce. Made with onions, tomatoes, and spices like cumin and coriander. Serve with rice or roti for a nutritious and tasty meal. 10. Aloo kofta. These fried potato balls, stuffed with a mixture of nuts, raisins, and spices, are a delicious addition to any dinner menu. They are served in a rich and creamy gravy made with tomatoes, cream, and spices like garam masala. Serve with rice or naan bread. 1. Aloo gobi. This popular Indian dish features potatoes and cauliflower, cooked in a fragrant blend of spices including cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. Ingredients: to large potatoes, peeled and cubed. 1 head of cauliflower, cut into florets. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste. Cilantro for garnish. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. 2. Add onions, garlic, and ginger to the pan and saute until onions are translucent.